Welcome back to the second half of the Statesman Insider. We're kicking off the 2010-11 season of the Statesman Insider right here on WXVT. Thank you for joining us. Jimmy Smith with you here as always. And in the guest chair now is assistant soccer coach for the Statesman and Lady Statesman, John Constable. And we're going to talk a little football, a little soccer. Of course, Coach, you are from other parts of the world where soccer is king. And now you're in another year being here at Delta State where it kind of plays second fiddle to some of the other Americanized sports. Talk about the mentality of a soccer player in America and then compare it to the mentality of a soccer player coming from, in this case, you got a lot of guys coming from England. So talk about the mentality of an American soccer player and the mentality of somebody that's coming across seas.
Well, nowadays I don't think there's too much difference. Maybe when I first came out here, you would tend to find that your British athletes, soccer is their only sport. That's all they care about. Whereas maybe your American athletes, they like soccer, they play soccer, but they maybe don't spend all their time doing it. They still like to play their basketball and their baseball and everything else. Maybe just back home in the UK, the main focus is soccer, and that's all it is. Whereas your American athletes, they maybe don't spend all their time doing it. That's in the past. Now I think your American kids, they do take it a bit more serious. Not too much of a difference nowadays, to be honest.
If you're a soccer player, you're going to be a soccer player. You're bred to be a soccer player. Talk about what you look for in a Delta State soccer player.
Well, first of all, talent. You must have talent. The main thing is you've got to be able to pass a soccer ball. If you can't pass a soccer ball, then fitness and everything else, it counts for nothing. However, we do at Delta State demand a high standard of fitness. You've got to have a strong mentality, and just as importantly, you've got to be a team player. You must be a team player if you're going to be a Delta State soccer player.
A lot of that mental fortitude comes from head coach Jim Allen and his past of being involved with branches of the military where he had to go through some excruciating workouts to get ready for certain things. That sometimes a lot of people say that if you have that mentality, it doesn't fit into athletics that well because you work the kids too hard. But seeing the way that he works them, and in a sport like soccer where running, you have to be able to do it for 90 minutes. Talk about his workout and your workout mentality pre-season and during the season for the Statesman, Lady Statesman.
Well, first of all, I think Coach Allen and we think very similar. He's massive into his fitness, and I'm the exact same. And I can assure you, I was at the professional level for a couple of years.
Right.
They're the exact same. The demands they put on fitness are unreal. And we put the same demands here on our players. You've got to be super fit. If you don't want to be super fit, then to be honest, you won't really find yourself on varsity because fitness is very, very important. As far as pre-season was concerned, we did push them really hard, as you should. You definitely should be pushed hard. Pre-season went fairly well. It was basically a 2-week pre-season. What we got from pre-season was we did improve the standard of fitness. We did basically work out what our best team is, and just as importantly, we feel as if we've got our best team a lot better organised. Now, what I would say is we're by no means the finished article yet. We do realise we are still a work in progress, but we do feel as if we're progressing just in time for Friday's games coming up.
That is right. Your season will kick off here in a little bit as you'll kick off your season. The ladies will start September 3rd. Their first official game against Science and Arts of Oklahoma. You'll be playing in Jackson, and the guys will start 2 hours after that. So you'll have a men and a women game, actually vice versa. The gals will play first, then the guys. And then you'll play another road game the next day where you take on Union, still in Jackson. Girls will play at 5. The guys will play at 7. And obviously that helps with travel.
Yep.
Then you'll have your first home game on the 6th. At noon against Bethel, the girls will play, and then the guys will play at 2 o'clock. So you have the schedules that match up real well, and it'll be good finally to get home for the first time on the 6th. Talk about the first 3 games of the season, coming up against 2 games in Jackson, then coming home. Well,
firstly against University of Science and Arts Oklahoma. They're a very strong NAIA school, but we do go in with confidence. We do believe that we do have good players on this soccer programme. We do believe they're getting fitter. We do believe we're getting them more organised each day. So regardless of who we play, we do believe we can go and get the result. That's against University of Science and Arts. Against Union, we're confident once again. Against Bethel, yeah, once again, we do believe we can get the results because we do have a lot of belief in the players we have at our disposal.
This may be one of the best teams that, especially the Lady Statesmen, have had. A lot of turnover on the guys' side. We'll talk about that in the next segment. But the one thing I want to talk about with the girls is you have just 3 seniors, 15 freshmen, 4 sophomores, and 4 juniors. Where's your leadership going to come from?
Well, right now I would say the captains are doing a good job as far as leadership goes. Jasmine Yakima and Samantha Bossert are doing really well. But in our opinion, the true test of who your leaders are isn't right now when it's all about positivity and everything else. It's once the going gets tough, that's when we'll work out who the true leaders are, not right now.
And we'll talk about the Statesmen as they have even more freshmen. Your leadership, you have just an incredible amount of freshmen. We'll get that 20 freshmen on the guys' side. We'll talk about that when we come back. You got David Horseman, the all-time leading scorer at Delta State. He's back as a GA. We'll talk about how that affects the team. We'll talk about who the leaders on the guys' side is going to be as we get very, very close to soccer season here in the Delta. That's assistant soccer coach on the men's and women's side here at Delta State, John Constable. He'll join us when we come back, and we'll share some footage from the 2010 green and white golf outing when we return on the Statesman Insider right here on WXVT.